Hello kids! Today it's time for a story. Can you open your books at page 64? Otwórzcie sobie swoje książeczki na stronie 64. Dzisiaj czas na historyjkę. Okay, page 64. 64. Okay, are you ready? So listen to a story.
Look, I've got a hamster. Do you like hamsters, Mickey?
Yes.
Oh no! My hamster! Figaro! Stop! Oh no! The flowers! Look out, Mickey!
I like hamsters, but I don't like water. And I like dogs.
Okay, did you like the story? Okay, now look what I've got here. A pig, a cow, a chicken, a sheep. Can you repeat? Pig, cow, chicken, sheep. Okay, and now once again with words. Pig, cow, chicken, sheep. Excellent. These are farm animals. Now can you open your books at page 66? Teraz otwórzcie swoje książeczki na stronie 66. Page 66. Okay, ready? And look at the animals. The first is a sheep, then a chicken, a cow, a pig. Excellent. Dobrze, a teraz będę mówiła te zwierzątka w innej kolejności niż są na obrazkach, a waszym zadaniem jest pokazywać paluszkiem na odpowiednie zwierzątko. Gotowi? Ready? Steady, go. Cow. Excellent. Sheep. Great. Pig. Chicken. That's right. Okay. And now look at the farm below. Popatrzcie teraz na tą farmę poniżej. Mamy farmę, a pod spodem obrazki zwierzątek, które na tej farmie się znajdują. I teraz chciałabym, żebyście próbowali liczyć, oczywiście po angielsku, te zwierzątka. Okay, so the first is a cow. Okay, can you count the cows in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cows. Excellent. Now, sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sheep. Excellent. Now, chickens. How many chickens can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right, 9 chickens. Now, horses. How many horses can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5 horses. Okay, can you see any dogs? Yes, there's 1 dog. Any cats? That's right. 1, 2. There are 2 cats. Can you see any ducks? 1, 2, 3. Great. 3 ducks. And pigs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. There are 4 pigs. Great. And now look at page 67. Popatrzcie teraz na stronę 67. W ramce nad obrazkiem są wyrazy. Ja będę czytała Wam te wyrazy, a Wy próbujecie odszukiwać te zwierzątka na obrazku i mówić liczby, pod którym numerkiem kryje się zwierzątko. Okay, the first one is a duck. Duck. What number is a duck? That's right, it's number 3. Excellent. Now, a horse. What number is a horse? Great, it's number 1. Excellent. Now, a bird. What number is a bird? Great, it's number 2. Excellent. A dog. That's right, a dog is number 5. And a mouse. What number is a mouse? Yes, it's number 4. Excellent. Okay, great job. Thank you for today. See you. Bye-bye.